Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2022 Ford F150, doing a oil change service. You can see the oil is dirty. All right, you're gonna take out your engine undercover right here. That's for bolt 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 15 millimeter for the drain bolt. There you go. Let it drain out. Now everything is drained out. Finger tighten the bolt. So this is tight. Just snug it a little bit. There you go. And then wipe the spot. Take out the filter in the front. For the filter, it's in the front where the alternator is. This one usually have a tray, but this one doesn't have a tray to catch the oil. So it's just gonna drip straight down. There you go, just like that. Now everything is drained out. Wipe the surface of the housing. For the new filter, I put a little bit of oil on the gasket so it sits better. Tighten it down. That's it. It's good enough. Wipe the spot. Wipe the mess. Now for the oil, this one takes 520. I don't have 520 at the time, but I'm putting in 530 synthetic. Now this one's a 3.3. I'm gonna put in 6 quarts and then I'm gonna check it. Now I put in 6 quarts already. I'm gonna check the dipstick. You can see it's a little bit over the high mark, but the filter is gonna take down some, so this is perfect. Now I'm gonna show you how to reset it. I'm gonna key on. There you go. You're gonna press this button right here, menu, and then you're gonna scroll down to vehicle maintenance, oil life, and then hold OK to reset. Hold OK. There you go. It says 100%. Press back. Press menu. Turn off the car. Turn it back on. So that is it for this video, guys. So just an oil change and oil reset for the Ford F150. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'm out. Peace.